Good morning, or good afternoon, I think. Good afternoon. We are on a spontaneous adventure today because the place that we originally wanted to go was a bust. He's sad that we couldn't go in there, but it is what it is. It happens when you explore. But yeah, let's check this place out. What is that, man? Okay, let's check it out. Oh. Damn. Look at that. Looks like a jail, bro. Not the best swimming pool, but I've seen worse. Whoa. Did you see that? Like, that's a fat hallway. Fucking hell. It just goes so deep. Cold. Surrounded by nice moss. Art. Let's get up this ladder. One-handed. Oh, hit my back. Looks cool, whatever this thing is. Nice. Timber floors, I don't like that. Spider web. Cool. Looks like a sex dungeon. Ah, fresh air. Bush bashing. Huh?
I think someone's inside.
How do you know?
I hear voices.
Maybe the voices are in your head. It's a pigeon. That's a pigeon, brother.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. B thought that he heard voices. It's just a pigeon. This guy. Not a pigeon expert like me. Man, these are some sketchy stairs, bro. What is that? That's a pigeon, but this spreader isolator. That's like a fucking sex machine, bro. Hey, yo, babe, you wanna come over? We can use the spreader isolator, you know what I'm saying? Another spreader isolator. Oh, there's a little pigeon in there, look at that.
Who named this?
The pigeon's in the spreader isolator. I don't know if you can see, but he's right in a little gap there. Must be enjoying the spread. Is that a drop?
It's a bit of a drop.
Oof. I ain't climbing that ladder though. That looks sketch. There's a full bottle of Coke there. Okay, well let's try and get on the roof. So that's the roof entrance. Let's see what's around here. Oofed. Damn. I always see workplace accidents with these things, especially on Live Leak. The Chinese factory workers. They usually get sucked into one of these things and, well, they're minced meat. You can make a beef patty out of them, bro. That is a very dodgy ladder. Look at that. Moves. Oh. Oh, cool. That is a long way down, brother. Sketchy going down the ladder this way. A big black hole. Dude's just vibing. We're both just waiting for this train to come past so we can get this nice shot. But typical Sydney, the train's running late. Should have been here 2 minutes ago. My camera fell. That could have been a real disaster, because if that hole was there, then my camera would have just gone boop, hole in one. And who knows where the fuck that goes. Yeah. Hello. No one waved back. Now that we got that, we can make our way down. And yeah. Full car keys and everything, bro. That's a bit sketchy. Purge on. Buttons are stuck. Looks like someone was living in here. In the red door. What the fuck is that? It's like a massive like fan. For something like this in Sydney, $800 a week rent. Yep, that's the prices for you, and that's cheap. $800 a week. That is cheap. Oh, okay. Alrighty, let's see what this thing is all about. These stairs lead all the way up there, but I'm not really keen on going up there because there's like these 5G telecom towers that fry your brain, and like my brain's already fried. I don't want a cherry on top, so yeah. So we wanted to go see what's inside that hole, but the ladder is like elevated. The only way to get there is to kind of balance along this, kind of shimmy across and then get there. Oh man, this is dodgy as fuck.
Yeah, see?
Well, I mean, I'm going the wrong way. I need to go this way. I made it. Yes. I went the harder way. B could have just gone down this little path up there and then he's on, but yeah. Okay, let's see what's inside. Yep, just as predicted. Nothing. It's just a hollow concrete block cylinder thing. So I basically just shimmied across for a hollow cylinder block. Oh well. There's really nothing underneath. We'll go see anyway. I think that's a way you can go inside the building next to it, so we'll go see. Guess not. It's locked. Is there anything down there? There's a secret little dungeon over there. Why am I ducking, bro? I can literally stand here. For fuck's sake. Oh. I did the same thing. Oh, okay. Ah, there's literally nothing there. It's just blocked off by gravel. Damn. Oh,
We made it.
yeah. Well, that's the factory. Nothing too crazy. Good little mission. As I said, it was very spontaneous because we weren't meant to come here. Meant to go to another place. Saw this one on the map. Said, why not, since we're already in the area. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next adventure, wherever that may be. Salute.